wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best spy drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With its sturdy and foldable design, you can take the Contixo F24 anywhere. Its straightforward controls, return to home feature, and handy beginner mode make it suitable for entry-level users. It comes with a one-key takeoff and landing and can be used with virtual reality headsets. However, it doesn't include a spare battery. At number 9, in addition to providing 25 minutes of airtime, the 4-cell U49W offers an immersive first-person viewing experience. You don't have to worry about it running out of juice, as it comes with a spare battery to get you up and flying again in no time. It includes a convenient headless mode and an extra set of propellers, but it is unstable in windy conditions. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is a premium model with a 3-axis gimbal, giving you incredibly stable images. It's ideal for filmmakers or anyone who wants to take professional quality pictures, as it records plenty of video footage without using up too much storage space. It boasts a maximum speed of 42 miles per hour and a built-in obstacle avoidance system. However, it is expensive to repair. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spy drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can control the potensic A30W using an app on your smartphone, so you don't have to worry about losing any remotes. Everything it sees is displayed on the screen. This is a good budget option that's suitable for indoor use, but it has a short battery life. Moving up our list to number 6. Ideal for security purposes, the Altair Aerial AA108 will follow a predetermined flight path you set up on your phone. It's perfect for newbies too who are nervous about controlling it manually. There are 3 skill levels to choose from, and it's equipped with a low battery alarm. However, its range is only 100 meters. Halfway up our list at number 5, the extremely agile and lightweight cheerwing syma is a suitable option for pilots on a budget. The remote is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and it has a 6-axis pivot control system that makes it extra user-friendly. It comes in black or white with colorful flashing LED lights, but its maximum flight time is only 7 minutes. At number 4, the attop foldable packs plenty of entertaining features into its colorful and compact body. Paired with the companion smartphone app, you'll be ready to play augmented reality games or perform aerial flips in no time. You can control it with your voice, and it's suitable for kids. However, the propellers break easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you draw a path on your phone, the GPS-enabled eachine E511S can follow it. With several useful tools, including a timer on the camera and an orbit feature, this one's ideal for taking unique selfies or capturing scenic footage. It has an altitude hold capability and a 120-degree wide-angle view. It's easy to maneuver. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spy drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you won't need to squint to make out what the Holy Stone HS120D is seeing, as it has a 1080p high-definition camera. It also sports a 75-degree adjustable wide-angle lens that lets you capture a great deal of its surroundings. It returns home automatically if its signal is lost, and its Follow Me mode can track your movements. It takes extremely clear pictures. And taking the top spot on our list, the simrex X300C Mini fits easily in a pocket. In addition to its convenient one-button takeoff feature, it has a 110-degree wide-angle camera. It's available in 4 colors and does flips and rolls, and is compatible with VR headsets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spy drones, or simply click beneath this video.